Hey, quick note, this is the testnet. So this is just an example of how to get the testnet up and going for the Windows to get you familiar with that. There will be some configuration after you get it set up to get it to work properly on the new chain when it launches. Stay tuned to the Telegram channels for more details on that. Alrighty, got a fresh install here of the Windows miner. So we go here /downloads and download this file here real quick. This is a Windows machine, and scroll down here. We get the Windows package. We download that. And it is downloading slowly, so give it a second to download here. I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. We got this show in folder here. I'm going to go ahead and right click that and open, let's see here, open with Explorer. Alright, now I'm going to extract all files. I'm going to put this in, not going to put in the download folder, I'm going to put it on the C drive and then make a new folder. This looks like Windows 7 here. Let's see if this works here. Windows Epic WIN. So just put in that folder there. It's just a little extract it. Okay, now in here, the first thing is the README file. You'll want to open that up in README. The first instructions is to move the folder to my username. So if you were to go to here and Control C, or it's just Control X, move it to your user folder, and there you go, users. I'm just going to move it here. Okay, it is now there. Now let's go back to C drive and then Epic Windows. The next one here is to create your wallet using the additional.bat file. The wallet create. I'm going to go ahead and edit this real quick because I've already done this once, and it's got a little, it needs to have a pause, P-A-U-S-E. Hopefully the new ones will have that, but if yours doesn't have it, you want to add that. So that way it doesn't, it gives you a chance to save your wallet passphrase, which you'll need to do to get your coins out, or change, recover your wallet in case something crashes on your computer. So create Epic Wallet. It's going to run this here, and you'll create a password. Make sure you write this down because if you lose it, you can't run the system. Okay, this creates a passcode, which you will see if I can open this up here. Maybe not. It's the passcode is just right here. You'll want to write that down. Let's open my whole thing up here. That's weird. Alrighty. For some reason, this file here is not. Alrighty. It would not let me write that down, but you will have to write that down for your next one. If you need to delete it, you can always go in the main folder and delete that in your main users. Go in your username, your Epic folder. It stores that file in your wallet data. That's the seed here, so you can actually delete it and create it again, but you can't get your passphrase back, so you want to write that down. Now that we've got the Windows thing here, I'm going to go back to the main files here. The second one here, after we got the initialize the wallet, launch Epic Node. So that's this guy here. Launching it, it's going to sit here and it's going to start synchronizing. You want to allow access through your firewall, and pull this back up here. And the next thing is put your wallet mode in listening. So open your wallet, it's going to run it, it's going to ask for the password. And there you go. Now we're in listening mode. You want to allow that through your firewall. Sometimes it's good to put the whole Epic folder, both folders, in the excluded list in your firewall if you want to get past that and not work with those errors there. And then the next thing here is we've got it in listening mode. We need to change the choose your desired proof of work mining algorithm. It's more a little advanced. Just stick it as default for now. But you can change that. There's 3 algorithms that are allowed to mine, and you can find those instructions on the GitLab. Navigate to this folder. So let's go ahead and I'm going to pull up the other folder here because we were already there. Actually, no, we weren't. Okay, so let's go to computer, G drive, users. Now we're going to navigate to the Epic thing. So go to Mike or your username, click on an Epic, click on main, and then there's this .toml file we need to edit. You want to click on it and open with, or just click open. It should open up in text. Select a program from a thing already installed. If you got Windows 10, it does. Just use Notepad. It's going to open it up in here in Notepad, and then you can find. You want to find this file. So go back to our other directions here, and it's saying we need to change this file here. So just copy and paste or copy the whole thing. Go back to that file, which is right here, and use that find feature. Find, and next. It did find nothing. Okay, that's because my cursor was at the bottom of the file. Click up and then find it. Okay, it found it. It says change the false to true. Just like that. Now, file, save. Okay, now that is saved, and now it says launch the miner. So when we come here to launch the miner, it's going to ask you to run that. And okay, the chain is down right now, so it can't start, but that's typically how you would do it tomorrow when the chain launches or whenever the chain launches. But it would be mining now. I actually have the Windows thing mining in the background on my computer, not the one I'm telegrammed in. So once you're mining, this screen here is going to come up, and you'll be able to watch it mine, and you'll also be able to pull up your other files here, which are the actual miners. So if you come over here and minimize this a little bit, this is the actual server running here. So basic status, we've got your header chain height here, peers and sync, miner. I've got one thing mining. We found 15 blocks, and so on. You can check your miner. Let's see. We can check your wallet by typing in your Epic. So if you do Epic dash the commands Epic dash what is it wallet WALET space INFO. Maybe not. Epic dash WALET space INFO. Okay, it's going to ask for a password. There you go. So there's coins in there, and they're confirming. So that's the video for today. Once we get the new or the final Windows version posted, we'll hopefully make another one here, or I'll make another one here and post it online for everybody to look at. Happy mining!